Hello judges, welcome to ENGAUGE. My name is Pratham Sangutekar and I'm the only team member and team leader of team PromptingPratham. ENGAUGE is a content creator and influencer's one-stop remedy for all their pre-publication jitters. Social media content creators are good with consistent production of posts and ideas, but who is going to validate their produce before publishing them into the wild jungle of constantly changing and bipolar audiences? Well, ENGAUGE is here to save the day. It helps them with not only generating new captions or content ideas from analyzing existing live trends, but it mainly helps them predict the engagement and what I like to call the virality metric for social media posts before they go live. Let's now take a quick walkthrough in the shoes of an influencer who's using ENGAUGE. The user can paste any form of text over here that would go in the caption or in the description of their post. They can then use one of the two models, AWS Bedrock and Grok. AWS Bedrock is one of the primary models and it uses Claude Haiku 3. It is fast and efficient. Now Grok is a fallback model, which is one of the two fallback models. The second model is a heuristic model, which is crafted carefully and precisely with prompts and suggestions that can almost apply to all posts. Now when the user hits enter, they get a personalized and a customized analysis of the text that they've pasted. Here they get a virality score and they get a basic understanding and a description of the text that they've pasted. Along with the virality score, they get the distribution of the score. They get the trend alignment, a hook strength score, and emotional intensity of the text. They also get the trend alignment in the form of relevance of the trend. They also get improved suggestions. They get a before and after optimized variant, and a few more variants for them to try out. Now one would say that ENGAUGE is just an AI wrapper. What makes it different? Well, what makes it different is two things. First, that you can paste images here and also get similar AI analysis responses as you did for texts. Here is the analysis for the image that we've just posted. We get similar metrics and a distribution for what image we've posted. We get the description of what image we've posted, and we have improved suggestions for what better we can do with the image, what extra elements or components we can add to the image, and how the contents of the image can be changed or optimized. We also get a few variants for the captions of the image. The second thing that sets ENGAUGE apart from other tools is that it can ingest videos. It takes the video input, it analyzes the first 3 seconds specifically, and it derives a hook for the video. It gives variants for the captions similar to image and text analysis, and also gives improved suggestions for how the video can do well. It also provides the same virality distribution for the video as well, and it gives basic how to improve video steps. Creators can also make use of the editor tab. Here they can paste text directly into the editor and get AI responses live. What this does is it gives them a live score, and it also gives them AI suggestions which they can directly implement into the editor, or they can just simply copy paste them and add on to their existing text. Creators also get an analysis history where they can go back to each of their analysis and they can know what kind of suggestions they've gotten, and they can check whether they have really worked in the real world. Creators also get a metrics page. Here they can spot each of their posts and each of their analysis history and make out patterns on what kind of suggestions really worked for them in the real world, and they can keep track of their progress. This helps them get better at their craft eventually. Creators also get to use the trends page, which is a culmination of different trend ingestion APIs, and here they can keep track of any ongoing or upcoming events and trends to always stay ahead of the curve. Majority of ENGAUGE's pipeline is powered by AWS, wherein I've created two users. One has Bedrock permissions and one has storage permissions. The Bedrock permitted user has a special invoke policy, which is nothing but the user having all of the Bedrock access. The second user has storage permissions. It uses S3 and DynamoDB access to store images, videos, and detailed text analysis. This was ENGAUGE, one-stop solution for creators for all their social media pre-publications. Let's get viral.